Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you install YouTube Studio app. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, you can get this app successful, download and install. So for every Android phone user, just go ahead and go to your Play Store. On getting to your Play Store, click on search and come to search app right there and type in YouTube Studio. So type in YouTube Studio and hit on search. It's take you right here. Click on here, then make sure you download and install this particular YouTube Studio app right here, whether you are using Android phone or iPhone. After you have successfully download and install the app, next thing you need to do is to exit from your Play Store. So go ahead and click on the app icon right here. So if you are logging in to the app for the first time, you will be asked to log in with your YouTube username and password. Just make sure you enter your YouTube username and password. Once you log into the app, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on content. Under the content, go ahead and click on view all. Then go ahead and select a particular video that you want to disable or that you want to turn off comments from them. So I'm going to select on this particular video right here. Having clicked on the video, next thing we want to do is to click on this plus sign right here. The next thing we want to do is to scroll down right here. Then we make sure we click on here. Then scroll down right here and we make sure we click on here. Then we make sure we click on off. Then we want to make sure we click on here to go back. Here we go. You have the comment off right here. Then click on here to go back. Then click on here to save. It's that simple as that. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.